My name is Claire Hastings and I am a folk singer, songwriter, and I play ukulele a little bit.
There was a lad in Glasgow town, Romanski was his name.
This is my first album and it's called Between River and Railway, and I chose that title because that was the location of the house I grew up in, which was called Rose Hill, which I wrote a song about, which features on the album.
My name's Ali Hutton and I'm producing Claire's album, much to her delight. Yeah, that's my job, to annoy him.
I'm Keir, I'm the engineer for the album and it's my studio that we've been recording in.
My name's Jen Butterworth and I play the guitar and I'm singing some backing vocals on Claire's album.
I'm Andrew Waite, I play the piano accordion.
I am Laura Wilkie and I play the fiddle.
I just thought they'd fit in so well with the songs that we're doing on the album. The only problem is getting them all together at the same time.
Yeah, we're pretty happy with the way it's going. Everything's sounding great. A few more days in order to make the rest of the things happen. So yeah, it's going well.
I don't think anything's been really challenging. Maybe the computer not functioning properly, but apart from that, it's been fine.
I think they're all totally brilliant tracks for various different reasons. There's a very varied mixture of stuff on the album, so I guess depending on what mood you're in, you'll connect with different ones.
There are a couple of really slow ones that I think that she sings really well, like Come Spend a While, that are kind of a bit more poignant and heartfelt.
I think Romanski is probably my favourite because Lonesome is quite not funky but less folky than some of the other ones. I quite enjoy playing rhythmical grooves underneath a song as well, which is quite good fun to do.
The upbeat ones are really fun, but I think that Claire's voice is really nice to listen to in the kind of more chilled out ones. She's done a good job.
I'd say the one that I've really enjoyed putting together has been Son of No One. I think that's going to be a really beautiful track, but so far really I've put down the guitar parts and I've heard some of the vocals but not really a lot of the final arrangements, so I guess my mind might change as things go on. It'll be interesting to see how everything develops.
And they've all kind of been stuck in my head, but maybe that's because I've been listening to them loads. But maybe it's because they're good, but maybe it's because I've been listening to them loads. No, I'm joking.
One that surprised me that I do really like is the Gretna Girls, and I think perhaps because it's such a new song, it was written quite recently and I wasn't really sure where in my head I wanted the arrangement to be or what I wanted it to ultimately sound like, but I'm really happy with how it's sounding at the moment in the studio.
The faster, bigger ones feel epic in one way and the slower ones feel epic in another way, so it's hard to tell at this minute what is the favourite. I think at the end of it they'll all be my favourites.
I wouldn't say it's a traditional folk album. It's kind of an eclectic mix, so I think it might be quite accessible to a lot of people. I hope so anyway, and because it's my first album, I'm eager to get some feedback and see what people think about it, and just really excited for people to hear it. No Jimi Hendrix on this one. Might do a couple of takes with the guitar back in my head, but no.
I just broke your thing, didn't I?